Here at Prime, we have a fun, rewarding culture where coworkers become friends. There are full-time and part-time opportunities, inside and outside type of work. We have a great tip and commission structure that you can earn every single paycheck. We offer medical, dental, and vision benefits, PTO, and better work-life balance. Here at Prime, we have a reward incentive program called Prime Money. This is where you can earn and get Prime swag and Prime prizes out of the catalog every single shift. Here at Prime, our onboarding is streamlined and easy. We'll never ask you to come into a conference room for hours at a time. You can do all of your game-based training on your phone.
One Huddle is our game-based training with new games out every week, and you can earn prizes just by participating.
Here at Prime, it's really fun and rewarding to be on the team. Your coworkers become your friends.